How to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only not loading. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Settings app, and here scroll below to Apps. Then search for Snapchat. Go on to Storage and clear the cache. Now come back to App Info and tap on Force Stop, then tap on OK. Now let's go ahead and update your app. Head over to Play Store and search for Snapchat. If it says update, then tap on to update and update your app. Once it is so, restart your device, get logged into your Snapchat account, try again, and this shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.